Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I am going to show how to integrate chatbot and ChatGPT in WordPress and many more about the ChatGPT. And in this video, I am going to use free ChatGPT plugin, and this is the best plugin we are going to use. And I have also uploaded a video on how to integrate ChatGPT with any code. So if you want the custom code integration, then you can watch this video. And before start, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel for more amazing videos. So let's dive into. So as I told you, we are going to use free ChatGPT plugin. So we just have to go back to WordPress and we have to add new plugin. And here you have to search for ChatGPT, enter it. And the first one is the ChatGPT plugin by the Jody Mio, which is a good company. And you can also see the reviews. This is the good one and 10,000 active installations. And as well you can see the last updated. So I trust this company because I have been used many plugins from Jody Mio. So I am going to install it and then activate it. And after the WordPress plugin installation, we must have to use API key. So we need a API key. Then we have to go to ChatGPT. And here you can see all the custom code of the ChatGPT plugin. So they also provide the calcal or Python code. And to create the account, we just have to sign up and then we have to attach the payment method. And it will detect the $5 authorization hold. And then for the API keys, we have to click on this icon, then view API key. So this is the existing one and I cannot able to copy it. So just we have to create new one. Just copy it and save it somewhere. Okay, and from there you can see the usage of the API keys, and after that we have to go back WordPress and scroll down, and here you have to click on Mio apps and then AI engine. So after that scroll down and then go back to settings, and here you have to put the API key and then go back to dashboard, and here you can see you can enable chatbot, generators, playground, and I will explain everything about these things. And then chatbot, and here you can see you can enable images and chat. So first of all we will enable the images chatbot, just save it, and here you can see you can select your UI system, the font size, color, and this is the pop-up things, and by clicking on this icon you can enable the pop-up system. And then if you scroll down you can see the shortcode of the chatbot, just copy it and go back to your page builder, just search here shortcode, and you have to drag and drop here and put the shortcode here, just apply it, and then you have to update it from there. And then you have to go back to your WordPress page and you have to refresh it. So if you scroll down you can see the chatbot system, and here I am going to tell it to generate cat image, send it. So here you can see the time, and as you can see it has generated the cat images, and from the backend you can select the images numbers from there, 4 5 6, and you can also select the one, and from there you can select the chatbot and you can chat with the ChatGPT just like the official website. And as well you can select the styles and placeholder and many more. And after that if you see the top bar, then you can see content, images and playground, and then we are going to click on content. So this is the tool to generate the things like post, pages, landing pages, my template and products. You just have to mention these things and you can generate by ChatGPT. Let me show you how it works. Healthy diet and generate section. So as you can see it has been generated few titles. You can use whatever you need and you can optimize your title as well to search with the ChatGPT. So this was just testing, and after that you can click on images, and from here you can generate the image and the number of the images, and then playground. And if you scroll down then you can see text translator tool, restaurant viewer, text corrector, SEO optimizer and WordPress assistant. So you can use these tools freely in the WordPress, and as I already told you this is the good plugin and you can rely on it. So by this way you can integrate ChatGPT and chatbots in your WordPress, and I hope you must find this video useful. Finally, thanks for watching.